Error fix PC. If Grand Theft Auto 5 shows unable to launch game, please verify your game data or crashes at startup. Follow these exact fixes. Nushtar 1. Verify GTA 5 files on Steam, Library, GTA 5. Right-click Properties, Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. On Epic Games, Library, 3 dots beside GTA 5, Manage, Verify. This repairs missing or corrupted files. Number 2. Run everything as administrator. Run these as admin, Steam, Epic Games Launcher, Rockstar Games Launcher, GTA5.exe. How? Right-click exe, Properties, Compatibility, Enable, run this program as administrator. 3. Delete corrupted Rockstar Launcher files. Delete these folders. You can see the code in our conversation history. Then restart PC. 4. Reinstall Rockstar Games Launcher and Social Club. Uninstall Rockstar Games Launcher, Rockstar Games Social Club. Delete leftover folders. You can see the code in our conversation history. Reinstall Launcher and log in again. Hashtag 5. Remove mods. Very common cause. If using mods, delete dinput8.dll, script hookv.dll, mods folder, reshade files. Game updates often break modded files. 6. Disable antivirus and Windows security blocking. Add exclusions for GTA 5 folder, Steam Epic, Rockstar Launcher control folder access can block launch files. Number 7. Install, reinstall required components. Install latest DirectX, Visual C++ redistributables, .NET Framework, restart PC afterward. Number 8. Clear launcher cache. Press, you can see the code in our conversation history. Type, you can see the code in our conversation history. Delete, you can see the code in our conversation history. Restart launcher. 9. Launch game from launcher only. Do not launch. You can see the code in our conversation history. Instead, open Steam Epic, wait for Rockstar Launcher login, launch from library. Number 10, last working fix, delete. You can see the code in our conversation history. This resets corrupted settings files. Backup saves first, if needed.